Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I am going to be showing you some new summer neon shades from Glam. They are released today. You can get 30% off these using my code NATMUG30. I absolutely love them. I'm going to show you them swatched already. So the first one is called Take Me to Mykonos. This is a gorgeous blue. Actually, I don't have a blue too similar to this one, so it's quite nice to have this one. The next one is called Vitamin C. I actually really like this one. It's very nice. I have also got, oh my goodness, the next one. I absolutely love it. I love the name of this one as well, Vitamin C. I think that's quite cool. Look at this colour, Amazonian Dream. I absolutely love this. It is bloody gorgeous. The next one, I love this one as well, Limoncello. I think that's how you say it, I don't know, but I really like this one. I love these kind of like neon sort of, they're not really pastels, but they're kind of verging on, I'd say, neon pastels. Are really nice. I love them. And this one as well, this one's really nice, Sunset in Hawaii. Oh, this orange. I'm not a massive orange fan, but this orange just does things for me. And then the last one is Energize Your Day, which is a gorgeous, vibrant neon-y red. I don't really like reds either, but I love this colour. So I'm going to show you them all together. Now, it's quite apt that Glam have just brought out 6 neon shades because, and in kind of like rainbow colours, because me and Sarah McInerney from Sarah Sparkles, we're going to do a collab today. So I'm going to do a design. And the theme we have chosen is rainbow nails because it is Pride Month. And I was like, oh my God, this is going to work in perfectly. So I'm going to do a kind of rainbow gemstone design. And Sarah's going to do something else. So you have to check out Sarah's video afterwards. I'm going to link her channel in the description box below. If you like what you see, give her a subscribe. And yeah, so let's crack on with the nails. I am applying this first nail. I'm going to apply a little bit of every single colour in these 6 shades onto the nail. And I'm kind of like blending them in with the brushes from the bottles. I'm not sort of panicking too much, but you want to make sure, like if I get any of the, like say for instance that I've got red on that, I'm going to wipe that onto my paper towel before I put it back into my bottle of gel polish, because I don't want to contaminate. I was like, contaminate doesn't sound right. I don't want to contaminate the colours when I put them back into the bottles. So just make sure the brushes are clean of any colour that isn't the colour that should be in the pot. Does that make sense? Even that's a bottle. So, I mean, look, it's not neat by any means of the word. It doesn't really have to be, as long as they kind of blend a little bit. So we're going to go in for a 30-second cure, which I've just done, and then we're going to apply our second coat. So again, look, if you get any colour, wipe it off and then just, you know, pop it into your bottle. My dog's doing something down there. Oh, he's got a ball. So yeah, so this is just literally repeating. I tried to put a little bit more yellow on this second coat because I adore this yellow. I'm sorry if you can hear a noise in the background. It's my fan. I've had to put the fan on because it's going to be a scorcher today. I've literally just dropped the kids off at school. I've got to take my nan to the hairdressers for 11, but she's over in Crowborough, so we need to make sure we leave in a little bit of time. And well, she's not in Crowborough, the hairdressers is. And then I've got to help my mum in her garden. So I'm like, right, I'm going to get this done and dusted so that I can just enjoy the rest of the day. And I know that you guys have a video. The reason I didn't upload yesterday is because Glam are releasing these gel polishes today, so I wanted to upload this today. So that's why we didn't have a video tomorrow. We didn't have a video yesterday because I don't normally upload on a Wednesday, but this week is a little bit different. Also, do check out Nail Sugar's new website. It's had a makeover. Nail Sugar's got, it's amazing. It looks lovely. And there is now a crystal boutique section on the website, so you can grab yourself some crystals. I done a live on the Nail Sugar page yesterday, so go and check that out. Have I got any more news for you? I don't think I've got any more news. Right, so that's the second coat. See, again, look, I mean, it's not neat at all. These are the Nail Sugar's Opal Flakes. You can get 10% off these using my code NATMUG10. What I'm going to do is using an eyeshadow applicator. No, I'm not. I'm using a little brush here. Oh, actually, it is an eye brush of some sort. I don't know, because I don't do makeup, but it wasn't, I did buy a load of makeup brushes to use for nails, so. Right, I'm just placing the flakes on in sort of different places. Doesn't have to be neat. Can be very random. You can put on as little or as much as you like. It does not matter. I kind of didn't want to cover the whole nail, but I did want, I love these flakes. I'm like, this is probably like my new obsession, is these Opal flakes. I've used them a lot. And then we're going to pop some ink on. So, you know, well, if you watch my channel, you'll know by now that I like to apply inks over a buffed or, well, no, a matte surface. So I'm going to use the matte top coat. Don't worry though, we are going to shiny these up with some glossy top coat at the end, because if they're going to be like gemstone type nails, they need to be glossy. So the matte top coat is only for the ink. Okay, so now we've got it matted, you're going to apply your white ink randomly. I am going to do it so that it can't, I don't know, I always seem to do it this way. I think it's because I'm right-handed. Up to the right-hand corner, down to the left. And then I always like to use acetone on a sort of just an old brush. This brush I have is specifically for doing stuff like this, so it doesn't matter if it gets ruined. But I'm literally just going to use the acetone to manipulate the white ink to kind of where I want it. Now with ink, it's kind of nice because every nail that you're going to do is going to look different. And if you're going to say I want to do a nail exactly like that, again, you're not going to do it. I don't think. I think it's going to, you know, that's the joy of ink. You kind of, it's random, you know. So I just wanted to sort of make like white lines going through the nail, because it's going to be like a gemstone. Okay, and then we're going to shiny it up. The ink literally air dries within seconds. I do find that if I were to put that on a shiny surface, sometimes when I come to top coat now, the ink smudges, which is another reason why I like to do it over matte. There we go. Looks like a gemstone and it's so pretty. I'm going to put it in the lamp for 30 seconds. Don't know why I decided to sing. Then I'm going to use Madame Glam's ombre brush. They've got like loads of new brushes. So what I'm going to do is, for the other nails, I'm going to do a vertical ombre using all 6 colours. So the first nail will be like, hang on, no, that's not going to, yeah, the first nail is going to be, no, hang on, I don't know, but we're going to have orange and red together, the 2 blues together, and the green and the yellow together, so that they're kind of making a rainbow. And again, I started to just blend these with the brushes in the bottles, and then I decided to use the ombre brush because, you know, that's what it's there for. So I just like to, where the blend is, I just literally work the gel polish sort of up and down until I'm relatively happy with the blend. Now remember, this is the first coat, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but try and get it as neat as you can, or as blended as you can. And then, do you know what, to be honest, I didn't blend this one very well at all. The 2 blues, I'm pretty sure it was the 2 blues that ombre'd like a dream, and the yellow and the green, I think, ombre'd really nicely together. But I don't know, I don't know what it is, I just struggled with this one, probably because this is the one that I actually recorded. I'm not going to record me doing the other 2 because I just feel like it's the same method, I'm just using different colours. So can you see, I'm just like working the brush through that where the colours meet. And you can kind of move the brush left to right. If you're doing a horizontal ombre, you'd be moving the brush a little bit up and down. But it doesn't, I mean, if it's not perfect, it's, you know, not the end of the world. There are worse things to worry about than an ombre blend. So I'm going to faff a little bit longer. And then once I'm happy, this will go into the lamp for a 30-second cure, because Madam Glam gel polishes need a 30-second cure in an LED lamp. If it's a UV lamp, I think it's 2 minutes. So bung that in. That's going to do. That's as good as I'm going to do it. Then basically we're going to do the same as what we did with the first nail. Oh no, look, we're going to do it with the so look, you can see I've got my 3 vertical ombres here. Ta-da! And then again, I'm just going to randomly pat some of the opal flakes through the nails. I'll put on a bit too much on that one, on that lump. Just sort of, you know, wherever you fancy. And they're going to stick onto that tacky layer. So once they're there, that is pretty much it. I don't know what that was. Now we're going to add the Velvet Matte top coat onto the nails, because these are going to have ink on as well. I was going to leave that, the first one with all the colours on, as a kind of accent nail. And then I just thought, no, do you know, I mean, it is still going to be the accent nail, but I don't know, I kind of, because if we're sort of doing like a Pride rainbow theme, then I think we need to go all out, don't we? We want more than just an accent now, because we need colours and, you know what I'm saying. So that's going to go in the lamp for a cure, obs. And then we're going to ink these babies up. Again, exactly. Do you know what, that nail on the left-hand side, the blue one, at the end, it would make a really nice, like, night sky. If the blue was a little bit darker, the white ink would look maybe like clouds, or like little, I don't know what it is in the galaxy, maybe like little, like, you know, you get massive clusters of, I don't know, I'm not spacey, but oh yeah, it reminded me of space, the final frontier. Shut up, Nats. I think that was Star Trek anyway. There we go. So, and then I'm just sort of using the acetone to kind of sort of, I don't know, move the ink a little bit. You don't have to work it too much. And then you will go in with the, I don't know what I'm doing here. Clearly I missed this bit out when I was editing, otherwise I would have cut this bit out. Here we go. The no wipe top coat to seal everything in. I've kind of decided that white ink is probably my new favourite thing. I really like white ink. It's not like, what's the word? It's not overly, it's just a nice, it just gives like a nice subtle, it's just nice, isn't it, white ink? Who uses white ink? Comment below, do you use white ink? There we go, look at that blue nail. I love it. In fact, I love them all. Right, pop it in for a 30-second cure, and then these are them done. I'm going to put them like that, I think. I'll show you a quick close-up. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. It is completely free, and you can change your mind later, though I'd rather you didn't. And don't forget to check out Sarah's channel and her video. I will leave the link in the description box below. I think that's it. Have an amazing Wednesday, and I will see you beautiful lot tomorrow with another video. It's going to be weird uploading today because it's like Wednesday. You're going to be like, what's she doing? Anyway, see you lovely lot tomorrow. Love you all.